best thing we can do for coral reefs is to stop killing them. At Coral Vita, we create land-based coral farms where we're able to incorporate cutting-edge methodologies developed by different research institutes around the world to do some really exciting things like accelerating coral growth rates by up to 50 times how fast they grow in nature. And that translates into growing a dinner plate-sized coral in a matter of months rather than decades. And we can also boost the coral's resiliency against the warming and acidifying oceans that threaten their survival. Coral reefs are really the cornerstone of life in our oceans and therefore, in many ways, life on our entire planet. Over 25% of all marine species live in coral reefs, but it's also a very serious socioeconomic issue because coral reefs support the livelihoods of up to 1 billion people around the world. And it's projected that by 2050, over 90% of the world's reefs will be dead, mostly due to warming and acidifying oceans, as well as some direct threats like overfishing and pollution. In our tanks, we're able to break the coral apart into tiny pieces we call micro fragments. And each of those fragments will then start growing quickly to heal back together. So this process of breaking them apart, fusing them together, breaking them apart, fusing them together allows us to accelerate their growth rates. We hope to create a global network of large-scale farms all around the world, including in Australia, where the Great Barrier Reef is one of the iconic reefs of the world that is also in need of restoration. And for something like the Great Barrier Reef, we'll need to be planting millions of corals each year into the reef in a way that can really make a difference when you think about the scale of the problem.